Opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa has made it clear that he will not be silenced by critics. Sanapenda mashoko ari muda pana patona kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa aiwa ofire big PANE shares. Panguva ino yatinoona Advocate Nelson Chamisa anoramba ane positive mindset. Aiwa achiramba achidza citizens kuti aiwa don't worry Kenani iri kuuya manje manje. Sanapenda mashoko ari mudanyorwa panapa tobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina paHAASI mudanyora achiti the MDC leader fired back at those attempting to undermine him, vowing to continue working towards his objective despite the negative commentary. In a statement issued on Sunday, Advocate Chamisa shared his thoughts, emphasizing that he would remain focused on this leadership journey. He said, "Keep leading when they talk about you every day. Either they fear you or they can't handle you, or both. They are terrified by you. Keep leading them anyway. Never stop leading. Blessed Sunday." Chamisa's statement reflected his determination to push forward despite the ongoing criticism. His message to his supporters was clear. He will not be deterred by negativity and will continue to lead this, with the strength and the resolve. The opposition leader's remarks underline his resilience and commitment to his political agenda, even as he faces mounting challenges from his detractors. Domashoko anomudanyorwa panapa Advocate Nelson Chamisa panguva ino achiti aiwa kana vachitaura pamusoro pangu aiwa I don't even mind. It's either kuti they fear me or they can't handle me or both zvazvo. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitwa ichi. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Aiwa musamana subscribe or like wachirota the bell icon.